205.
Sending 9,000, heading 235.
235, I see.
Southwest 2443, contact approach 124.6.
24-6 for approach, Southwest 2443, we'll see you.
Yeah.
Oh, there's PDK. Is it? Oh, no, it isn't. Not PDK yet. Still too far from the city. And 10,000 checks.
10,000 checks coming. It's Fulton. Alright. So, appeal bleeds.
We don't need them for even on the ground.
Seatbelt and sign.
Or on.
Got it. And harness and pedal to my side.
Left side.
Checklist complete and next before landing.
Copy that.
Approach Southwest 378, 180.
Alright, so we'll land 26 left. We'll probably vacate, I'm guessing Bravo 6, or maybe Charlie. And then just cross 26 right, which is closed anyway, and taxi to Signature. It's pretty straightforward.
Endeavor 4937, fly heading 120, descend and maintain 7,000.
Heading 120 down to 7,000, Endeavor 4937.
Frontier flight 4817, flighting 235, exit upon all, descend and maintain 9,000.
Heading 235 down to 9,000, Frontier 4817.
AirPod 3, fly heading 200, descend and maintain 6,000.
Heading 200 on 6,000, put the entry.
200, 6,000.
And 200 AC.
And
you wanted to extend the...
Yeah, you can line me up from
Jerry or?
Market or Deja.
Okay,
I guess that's good.
Market, okay.
Yeah, Market is good.
275.
275 is good.
AirPod 3, contact approach on 124.6, good day.
246, I'll put the entry.
Endeavor 4937, flighting 100.
Heading 100, Endeavor 4937.
So 2227, maintain 180 knots to depot, connect tower depot.
180 knots to depot and tower over there, Delta 27.
And I put the entry, 6,000 on that.
AirPod 3, runway 26 left.
26 left, I put the
Delta 3036, maintain 180 knots.
Ground should be 121.9 when we
greater depot tower there, Delta 3036.
Southwest 2443, reduce speed now to 180 and advise any of the airport in sight.
Slow to 180 and airfield in sight.
Okay, we got the shadow and 1087 identified.
Heading 100 out of 9,700 for 7,000.
Endeavor 4937, Atlanta, good morning, 27 left, descend and maintain 4,000.
Descend and maintain 4,000 for 27 left, Endeavor 4937.
Southwest 2443, turn right heading 250, cleared visual approach, runway 27 left.
Right 250 and cleared to visual, 27 left, Southwest 2443.
One to go.
AirPod 3, reduce speed 210 and maintain 4,000.
Speed 210 and 4,000, I put the entry. 4,000 the scene, 210.
210 on the speed.
210.
Endeavor 4937, turn right heading 180, reduce speed 180.
Heading 180, speed 180, Endeavor 4937.
About to cross the center line. Airport 3, about to cross the center line.
Airbus 3, turn right heading 250, intercept runway 26, left localizer.
Runway 250, to intercept there, localizer 26 left, airport 3.
Okay, nav screen.
Yeah.
Approach Frontier Flight 4817 out of 8,000 for 6,000, Bravo.
Frontier Flight 4817, Atlanta, approach runway 27 left, fly heading 210.
That's good.
Heading 210, Frontier 4817.
Endeavor 4937, reduce speed to 170.
170, Endeavor 4937.
Runway in sight.
Southwest 2443, maintain 180 knots till depot, contact tower depot 100.3.
180 to depot and tower depot 183, 193 Southwest 2443.
Airbus 3 advised Atlanta Airport in sight, 12 o'clock and 17 miles.
Inside airport 3.
Airbus 3 cleared visual approach runway 26 left.
Clear visual 26 left, airport 3.
Okay.
Okay, see approach nav. And I see green
Yeah,
needles.
localizer screen.
Endeavor 4937, turn right heading 250, intercept runway 27 left localizer, advised airport site.
Heading 250, intercept localizer airport site, Endeavor 4937.
Endeavor 4937, clear visual approach runway 27 left.
Clear the visual 27 left, Endeavor 4937.
Endeavor Percher flight to your flight 4817, descend and maintain 4000.
Oh, we got somebody crossing on our nose.
Airbus 3 reduce speed to 180, maintain that until DJ.
180 to DJ airport 3.
See that guy crossing us on 12 o'clock?
You have eyes way better than mine.
Let's go flaps 10.
Flaps 10, come in.
Endeavor 4937, maintain 170 knots.
For
till
visual,
depot,
it's a
contact
left
tower,
traffic in case of
100.3.
go around.
Ready, 170 knots to depot.
Yeah, but
Tower 19,
obviously we'll climb straight ahead and we'll wait for further instructions.
Frontier flight 4817, reduce speed to 210.
Slow to 210, Frontier 4817.
Airbus 3, contact tower at DJ 119.1.
19-1 airport 3.
At DJ.
Wants me to call him out on the DJ.
Yeah,
Oh.
that's what he said.
Oh,
And then we're gonna maintain 180 until DJ.
okay.
It's not that busy.
Not at all. Glide
No.
stop.
Yeah, glide slope
Frontier
screen.
flight 4817, turn right heading
Can put it at,
250, intercept runway
let's put it
27
at
left
2500
localizer,
for now.
airport site.
250, intercept
And the visual.
27 left localizer and the field is in sight, Frontier 4817.
Frontier flight 4817, clear visual approach runway 27 left.
Clear visual approach 27 left, Frontier 4817.
He gave me the frequency for 26 right, you know, I'm not sure it's...
I think it's the same tower for both runways, but
no,
might
it's
be
not.
mistaken.
It's not. It's not. I think he's wrong. But,
Okay, you can double check with him and we're still
Yeah.
good. A minute till DJ.
And airport 3 just confirmed he gave me 19-1, it's usually 426 right.
Airbus 3, affirmative 119.1, thanks for checking.
Thank you.
Oh. Yeah, you can go ahead and call him out.
Tower put the 3 approaching DJ.
Papa Oscar Delta 3, Atlanta Tower, runway 26 left, set to land, 1 departure off. Runway 26 left, prior to arrival.
Clear to land?
Yes.
Airport 3 clear to land, 26 left.
He just said there's one
961
departure ahead of us.
runway 26 left.
The one that's rolling probably right now. Okay, DJ, let's do flaps 20 and gear down.
Speed is good, flaps 20.
And
1682,
gear
I
down.
got 1 arrival, then I'll get you going. Roger.
It's coming down. It is.
IC20. And waiting. Okay, we got 3 greens. Flaps full, please.
Speed is good. 140. And 330.
I see 3 greens, I see flaps 30.
Clearance and lights and checklist completed.
Thank you.
Tuck 9 at Bravo 4, cross 26 left, Echo ground 49, traffic 2 mile final.
Right, 26 left, Echo 29 and Tuck 9.
And runway is going to be clear in a second. Oh.
That's 961, contact departure 6. Departure Delta 961, good day.
Plus 8 stable.
Okay.
That's 1682, contact runway 26 left, line of way.
30.
Way 26 left,
20.
1682.
10.
Alright.
Boards and reverse out, green.
Yeah, we'll go in the, go on Delta. We'll make the right on Delta.
But we will take right on Delta.
Roger. Pop out to Delta 3, make right turn Delta, cross runway 26 right, remain my frequency at Alpha to Alpha 5.
Cross 26 right, remain in our frequency about the entry. Okay.
Okay, after landing, checklist.
After the checklist coming.
And left's clear, right is clear.
Yeah.
And the 1682, RNAT Snuffy 26 left, go for takeoff. RNAT Snuffy clear for takeoff, 26 left, Delta 1682.
Okay, and left side's clear.
305, land turn, 26 left, on way.
Right side's clear.
Lights are coming off.
And he said Alpha 5 to the ramp. So left here.
Then left and right. Left already completed.
Okay. I see our guy.
And at 5305, RNAT Snuffy 26 left, go for takeoff.
RNAT Snuffy 26 left, go for takeoff, now for 05.
So the 777 heavy, left tire, 26 left, on the way. 26 left, line way, Delta 777 heavy.
Lights off.
Yeah, turn it on.
The 1682, contact departure, have a go.
Our departure Delta 1682.
Plenty of form on the right.
Yep. And he wants us facing him.
Yeah.
Okay.
Atlanta Tower, up to.
Good on the right.
Still on the sir.
Hey, Tower, Officer would like to place a crossing restriction at Hotel, short of Bravo.
Roger, is it from Hotel to 2 Bravo?
Oh my god.
Hey, firm, between 26 left and 26 right.
Thank you, sir. I'll do that.
Thank you.
Delta 777 Heavy, Arnett Snuffy, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff. Arnett Snuffy, 26 left, clear for takeoff, Delta 777 Heavy. Number 5305, contact departure 2.
Shut down.
Departure